this is like off-road. Riding in Mumbai is such a pain. Oh God. So, welcome back to the channel, guys. You're watching Ralph Vlogs. And yes, I'm back on my FZ25 and I'm going to Kumar Auto. Now, you'll all be wondering why I'm going to Kumar Auto. If you have seen my last vlog of the 4th service, I said that my suspension bushings had gone. So that is courtesy of all the good roads that we have in Mumbai. Pun intended. So sarcasm. So yeah, so my suspension bushings have completely gone, and what happens is I think so everybody who has an FZ25 and clock above 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers should check this. So what are the symptoms? Oh my God, this is like off-road. Riding in Mumbai is such a pain. So what happens basically, and how you come to know that your suspension bushings have gone. So when you're riding, when you immediately accelerate or say for example brake, you feel your rear shifting to the right or the left. So that is one of the symptoms. And also if you keep your bike on the main stand and try to shift the wheel left and right, it will actually move. So that is one noticeable thing that you will see once your suspension bushings are gone. Now I'll be replacing them. I don't know what's the damage. I will show you what happened to the suspension bushings. So once they're taken off and the new ones are replaced, I believe the bike will be even more smoother. So yes, I'm just going to do that, because this is not something I was supposed to do this in September, but due to my hectic schedule I could not find time. But not that I do off-road every time, but yeah, Mumbai is as good as doing an off-road terrain. So my friend Arunya from the FZ25 group also did it, and he has faced he used to do a lot of off-roading with his FZ25, and yeah, he is happy with how the bike is now. So he claims it to be very smooth, and so let's hoping that I also say that and it will definitely, because Rohit is quite capable of these things. So he in fact pointed out this to me. I didn't even know. I thought it was the tire traction because of which the bike was sliding left and right, but it was not because of that. It was because the suspension bushings worn out. So he has already ordered the parts from Yamaha, and I think so all you guys who have crossed about 10,000 or 15,000 should actually go ahead and do this. And also for those not crossing 10,000 but doing a lot of off-road, please have this checked, because you don't want anything to go wrong in the bike in the long run. So just rectify whatever it is, and the bike will keep you happy. So yes, it's a very short vlog but a very important one, because a lot of people are facing this. So please do let me know in the comment section below if you have faced this issue, and if yes, please go ahead and rectify it. So I'll see you after the suspension bushings having installed, and I'll give you my views on how the bike feels. There's a lot of vibration also when you accelerate from the rear, so that is kind of happening right now. It's bad, probably because of the bad roads as well. So take care, and I'll see you again. Oh man, this is like crazy. It's like a downhill slope, man. So this is like a shortcut I take to Andheri East. So a friend of mine also has changed this. So
there is no point in replacing only one.
worn out from inside. Guy. All bad roads, na?
Bad road also, and our dust, mud.
Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube? And yes, I've just taken my bike from Kumar Auto and yes, replaced the suspension bushings and the collar. So the two things that were replaced was either side, left and right hand side bushings, bearings and the collar. So I will also keep a video separate attached to this after this on what is the state of the bearings and the collar. It was pretty bad. The inside of the bearings are completely disintegrated. So but now the bike feels very nice and planted. Earlier it was, I know it used to, you know, kind of be a little vibey and was a bit kind of on a very unstable side, but now this is fantastic stuff. And again, thanks to Rohit from Kumar Auto, who has done a fab job in rectifying the issue. And yes, highly recommended. As again, get this replaced ASAP once you have you know, you have got the symptoms of your bike moving towards the side or getting too vibey while accelerating, little unstable issues. Just get this checked first. You will come to know that that only is the problem. Mostly it will occur after 10,000, 15,000, depends on your riding conditions. Now thanks to Mumbai roads, this has happened at 17,000, but still do have it checked. So yes, thank you for watching guys, and do have put in the comment section below on what you feel and have you faced this issue, and go ahead and do this. So this is Raj Vlog signing off, and take care, ride safe and peace.